Welcome, I'm from XIAOMI Redmi Note 90, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. Now, to get started, you'll want to power off the device, and once the device turns off, you'll then hold power key and volume down, so both of those keys at the same time. And there we go. As you can see, we are now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you'd boot into it, and to leave this mode you will need to hold power key till, well, whatever this is disappears from the screen. Now this will basically turn off the device, so once this disappears you let go of the power key and hold it again to turn the device back on. There we go. So let's hold it. And now it's going to turn back on and go back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.